So here for step number 2, what we're going to do is we're going to design the second part of the spreadsheet, which is a second workbook that's going to have more features so that we can use it on the desktop side and really take advantage of the power that Excel has. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the entry sheet as our template because we're going to end up saving as later, and I'll show you that step. There's one piece that you really want to pay attention to when you save as. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to add a chart. So it's a weight tracker. A visual representation I think is very helpful. So we'll go to insert, and in the charts we're going to add a line chart, and I'm going to have it show me the different points. But it's going to put it in the spreadsheet here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the chart and we're going to give it its own sheet. And I like chart 1 as a name. So here we have our new chart, which is something that we're going to end up interacting with in the future. So as for this step, we are done, so now we need to save as. So File, Save As, and go back to your OneDrive. We have entry there already, but I don't want to have to pay attention to the icons to make sure that I'm going into the right book, so we're actually going to call this Analysis. And what I meant in the beginning as there's a one particular part of the step that you really need to pay attention to is this Save As type. The Excel workbook is not going to allow us to save VBA code, so we're not going to actually have macros in it. What I want you to do is I want you to change that to Excel macro enabled workbook and hit save. So now we're ready for step number 3.